Well, hello and welcome back to yet another incredible video. And today I am going to show you guys 10 of my favorite Christmas DIYs, and these are quick and easy. I know many of us crafters have already finished up our DIYs for the year, but there are some last minute people and those of us who like to craft right up until the moment. So these are designed to get you inspired. Let's go. Okay, so it is no surprise for those of you who've been with me for a while that I love cardinals, and it's no surprise that some of these cardinal DIYs have to make the list. Those cardinal transfers that I got from Temu were everything, and I just picked up this charger plate from, I believe it was Hobby Lobby, and just putting those two things together, giving it a little bit of a distress, and it sung. I love this plate so very much, but you guys let me know if you love it in the comments as well. So this next DIY could not be easier, but the impact is what is giving. And it's these beautiful boxes from the Dollar Tree. Every DIYer snatched them up when they came out because they were beautiful. And of course, Waverly Antique Wax. You guys know I'll put Waverly on anything. And then I got some of those kind of wooden letters, and together those two things sing, right? And the box allows us to be able to put in a battery operated kind of votive candle. And it just, I don't know, I love it. It's chef's kiss. But you guys let me know if you love it too. Well, I hope you guys are ready for another quick and easy DIY. I am just using one of those glass vases from the Dollar Tree and another 4th of July item, which are these kind of star beaded necklaces. And I'm just going to be using the silver one, and I'm just basically going to wrap it around. I'm going to use 2 strands, and you will watch as this comes together, and it is stunning. And it's so crazy to me how these just 2 very simple, very inexpensive items come together to make something that looks really, really cool. So this next DIY is so dang cute to me, and I realize that when we think about Christmas, we don't think about Christmas mousse. But I do, especially after this DIY. But I got these really cool ornaments from Dollar General for like $1, and I was using one of those wood signs, and I picked up so many of these when I saw them at Dollar Tree. And I'm basically just going to make a cute little scene with these 3 mousse and spell the word joy. They're going to give them a little embellishment just to make it a little bit more Christmassy, and that's it. And again, like all of the DIYs in this video, these are just quick, easy DIYs just to get you inspired. So this one I love because it really allowed me to craft my trash, which you know I love to do, and it allowed me to use my favorite spray paint technique. You guys know I love that that stone spray paint. I cannot help it. And then it also allowed me to flex my arrangement skills, which I'm still trying to build. And I feel like I built on them very well in 2025. I think I got way better at doing some arrangements. So anyway, I really love the way this came out. The ribbon, the play of those colors, the patterns, everything about this screams Christmas to me, but it also just feels like winter, right? So I left this up for a period of time in my office well after Christmas because it felt like something that I could do that with. But anyway, let me know if you guys like this in the comments. So this next DIY I love, obviously, because it's cute, but also because I feel like it came out looking very high end. And I basically just used this board that housed something else that I purchased in, and then also some Christmas tree ornaments from Walmart, and then some letter stickers, which you guys know I keep on hand for the season. The way I pull these together is just super simple, super easy, as is the case with almost all the DIYs in this video. Christmas crafting to me is about simplicity and super simple, easy DIYs that look great. So I don't know about you guys, but I always love when I can use an item that was not meant for that particular season in another way. And that's what happened in this DIY. I'm basically using a star bowl that came from 4th of July. I'm going to spray paint it silver, just a beautiful silver color. And then I'm going to put a little candle in there and some pine cones. And it's just really going to be a really cute piece that you can just sit anywhere. Put it in your office, put it on the table, whatever. I love quick and easy pieces like this. So this DIY right here is another one of those you blink and you'll miss it ones. And I'm basically just using some ornaments I picked up from the Dollar Tree and some letter stickers, and that's it. But the way that this turns out is very cool to me. And I like how this could just be displayed, you know, on a shelf as part of a vignette, as part of a tier tray, or you could actually put these on the tree. And I just think that it's just, I don't know, it's perfect to me. Well, I love this DIY so much because it reminds me of when I was in my Dollar Tree placemat pillow making phase, okay? It was like it was brand new to me. I will never forget when I first saw a DIYer, another crafter, doing a pillow with some placemats from the Dollar Tree, and I was like, wait, stop it. I love every last piece of this. And then I went about making 50 million 11 dozen pillows. But anywho, I really love this, and these particular placemats were just such high quality that the pillow just really comes out looking very, very nice. Let me know if you guys are loving this DIY as well. So I suppose you guys are wondering what is my absolute favorite one. And on this list, this piece is that. It is so whimsical. I thought I was so freaking clever when I did this. And I fashioned it after a piece I saw in Kohl's a few years ago. And I just thought it was the coolest thing. It's so very Christmassy to me, right? These peppermint candies. This is part of Christmas, and this DIY nails it. Well, as always, I thank you guys so much for taking a moment to watch this video. I know that it moved super quick, but keep in mind, this is just to inspire you. I hope you will also choose to subscribe if you haven't already. And of course, I invite you to come back, hang out, and be okay with us.